Rob G back with you here on the T-28. Looking at the left, the back of the wheel well on the left side. Here's the access to the fuel filter. Gonna remove this section of skin here. Gonna cut this piano hinge here. You can see where the runway ground through the hinge. Here's part of the steel piano wire still embedded in this piece. And I've located most all the rivets and touched them up with the drill. Then I'll get a larger drill and drill into the head and then knock them off and get the rivets out, and then cut this skin. It's hard to get the light on it without a shadow from the camera. Got the skin cut away where I need to get in there for access. Start cleaning things up, prime it. Removing these extrusions at the main landing gear hinge attaches the top of the gear door. It ground through the eyelets on here. So I drilled into the rivets with a smaller drill bit and just popped the heads off. That way you don't enlarge the holes in your parts, and you can drive the rivets out with the punch. Hello, Rob Grosvenor with you here, working on a lower cowling, oil cooler cowling for a T-28 Charlie. Got a little road rash here that I'm gonna fix. Degreased it good with isopropanol and some ethyl ketone, get all the oil off. Gonna put a little fiberglass with some S-glass on there to build it back up. Blended it in with a DA sander, Scotch-Brite. Clean it up with methyl ethyl ketone, get all the oil and residue off. Getting ready to lay some epoxy and S-glass on it. Okay, I wetted out the area with 2-hour epoxy. I got S-glass in here. Gonna put this piece over it. Got the S-glass, one layer laying on there. Now we'll wet it out with a brush and resin. So there you have it, about 4 layers of S-glass and then a layer of finer stuff on top, and it's taco time. Catch you later.